your fans have sent an overwhelming amount of love to you. They've wished you all the best. I've picked up a few of their questions. Okay? The first one, this is Sumit asking you, any new project apart from this in the lineup?
No. No, this was the thing I shot for. There were 2 projects I was supposed to start, but unfortunately I couldn't, and eventually, mutually we decided that let's find a replacement, and I couldn't do those projects. But as of now I am out there. Hello, I'm there, available, ready to work.
Ready to work. Okay, this is Sanjana asking you, what do you think is the biggest misconception that people have about you?
That I am not professional.
Really?
Yeah. A lot of people think so, that I am not professional and not approachable.
Maybe because you're an introvert.
I am not, you can say that, but I'm not, it's not that I'm not approachable. A lot of people have this misconception that I am not approachable. And a lot of people in the industry think that I am not that professional. I don't know why.
That's very strange.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, Neha asking you, what's the first word that comes to your mind when you hear the word Griha Lakshmi?
Lakshmi. Lakshmi. The first thing when I think of when Griha Lakshmi is Lakshmi, yeah. Yeah.
Great. Okay. Rahul asking you, what's that one most bizarre reason of rejection that you have faced professionally?
Bizarre reason of rejection. हमारी इंडस्ट्री में bizarre reason of rejection for me is एक ऐसा था जो bizarre था बहुत जिसके लिए somebody else was casted and and that person they cast was not a Kashmiri.
Okay.
It was a character where the shooting was supposed to happen in Kashmir, and the character I was supposed to play was a Kashmiri character. And I can speak Kashmiri very fluently. And the reason which I was given was that I don't look Kashmiri.
Okay.
Yeah, and the person who was actually cast is not a Kashmiri, can't speak Kashmiri, but is like extremely fair. Like they have this not that Kashmiris are extremely fair and all of that. So my complexion is not that fair. So that I found like, how does it matter, yaar? Kashmiri सब गोरे नहीं होते हैं यार. मैं proper कश्मीरी हूँ, कश्मीरी बोलती हूँ. ये क्या reason है भाई? तो ये मुझे थोड़ा सा बहुत stupid लगा.
Stupid लगा था. Okay, this is Sugandha asking, what scares Hina Khan the most?
Family. I mean, I can't think of anything happening to them. That scares me the most. Yeah.
Okay. Well, on that note, Hina.
And currently everything scares me. Even somewhere scares me.
No,
ये क्या है अभी अब चलो टेस्ट करा दे.
Hina, you have achieved really a lot, personally, professionally. I remember one of the titles that's given to you is she's one of the highest paid actors of TV.
Yeah.
One would assume that, her professional struggles have just gone down the drain. But हर किसी के पास किसी ना कुछ होता है. At this stage, what's that one thing that you want to strive for professionally?
As in like what I'm...
Any struggles that you have still today, that something you're struggling with as an actor?
I really wish and I pray that I get an opportunity to work with the biggest of biggest producers and directors. And I have this thing in me that I have it. I've always, been very positive about it, that I have it. It's just that you need that one good opportunity.
Right.
So I'm really hoping and I'm praying, and I say it all the time, I manifest it all the time, that I wish it happens someday, because I know the amount of energy and the time is invested in an actor when you do a big project or you work with a big network, or it's a big budget Bollywood film or something. they are taught and they are given, they're trained for one year,
Yeah.
right? For that particular character, which is great. If it is required, it's required, right? The training is required. मुझे कभी-कभी ऐसा लगता है कि the school I come from ना, मतलब television, मुझे कभी-कभी ऐसा लगता है कि यार ये ट्रेनिंग अगर मुझे मिल जाए ना तो I don't know what am I going to do.
Yeah.
Like 1 साल 6 महीने जो ट्रेनिंग मिलती है, and of course they do great. I'm not saying they don't pull it off. I'm not saying that, but it's just that मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये ट्रेनिंग अगर मुझे मिले, यही वक्त अगर मुझे मिले ना कि एक कैरेक्टर को प्रिपेयर करने के लिए आपको 6 महीने मिल रहा है, आपको 1 साल मिल रहा है, तो kill it.
You are killing it, and
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah.
But for what it's worth, you are killing it. And I think Griya Lakshmi is yet another step towards that direction.
Thank you.
All the very best for this and everything that you do ahead, personally, professionally.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hi, this is Hina Khan and you're watching me on News 18.